See that I have, oops, I have my little, definitely these little snack bites, and the kids can eat them. They're absolutely delicious. And I love the fact, if you notice, how it looks like a little lollipop. It's so delicious, and I have mine. I'm gonna eat one. It's so delicious. Your kids will love it. So get busy, download this recipe. Be sure to go. Thank you, Grapes from California. We love you guys. Delicious. It has here California Table Grape Commission, and they give you the nutritional information per serving. So this is really healthy. We have the coconut, we have the almonds, we have it dipped in just a little bit of everything here, which I really, and the chocolate chips, which is so delicious. Kids will love the dark chocolate. So listen, guys, see you again. This is Grandma Magazine. Thank you so much, and I'll come back to you with another fabulous recipe.